Hey all my beautiful babes, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Sherry, and here on my channel we do a lot of unboxings, which is absolutely something that I love, along with doing makeup, get ready with me's and things like that. So if that's what you're interested in, I would love if you would hit that subscribe button and become part of the family. And if you're interested in what I got in my May 2020 Ipsy Plus box, just keep on watching. All right, all my beautiful babes, so as you can see, we're going to be opening the Ipsy May 2020 box. And let me grab my scissor and just open it up. Okay. Let's see if I got a card. What is this? This is about add-ons. It doesn't have... That's the only card that came in my box. Well, that's not helpful. It doesn't tell me the prices or anything in my box. Save the date. May 21st is going to be the ultimate Ipster deal. Free shipping. 8 is the number of products you can add on. $3 is the price of deluxe size samples. And 12 and 18 are for the full sized items. Set your alarm. It's going to be 9 a.m. EST. So that's when the add-ons are going to be. And then inside of it, it just tells you highlighter 101, powder, liquid, and cream. Just gives you little tips about that stuff. I mean, that's cute, but it doesn't tell me what's in my box. Oh, okay, so let's start with this. So this is the Kate Somerville Dermal Quench Wrinkle Warrior. This was an add-on that I added into my box. And I know it was $12. Oh, that's kind of cool. Look at that. That color is so pretty. It's like a little spray can. It says Dermal Quench Wrinkle Warrior Advanced Hydrating and Plumping Treatment. So anything that has to do with preventing wrinkles, your girl is all for it. Okay? So I'm excited to get that, and I picked it, so I'm really excited. It has this cool little like sprayer thing on it. Let's try her out. Ooh! Comes out like a little foam. Wow, that's kind of cool. The smell is really good. Wow, I really like that. And just so you ladies know, here's a little tip. When you're putting on your wrinkle creams and your moisturizers and stuff like that, hit the back of your hands. That is another thing that will start to wrinkle. That is the thing that ages you the most, your hands. Your hands will give away your age quicker than your face. So I'm excited to get this because I did pick that for my add-on. Next thing in the box. I know this was a choice item. It is the Tarteist Lash Paint Mascara. I did pick this because I know I like this mascara. So I did want it. And I know their mascaras retail for like $20-something. This is what the packaging looks like. And this is what the wand looks like. I absolutely love these wands. It is bigger and thicker than the ones that I normally go to, but I still think it's a great mascara. So, happy to get that. Next thing in the box is Mud Masky After Mask Vitamin Serum. pH balancing, extra smooth, anti-aging, feeding, protecting, and nourishing. It looks like when I hold it up to the light, it looks like it's filled only halfway. Like this is all empty and then it's like right here. Well, that's a stinker. So it's a serum and it does come sealed. I'm not going to open it because I have quite a bit of serums open right now. So I'm going to leave that to the side. And again, like I said, I don't have a card, so I cannot tell you guys what anything costs. I will look everything up afterward and leave everything in the description for you guys as well. And we got this. It is the Vineyard Soiree eyeshadow palette by Colored Rain. Let's take her out of the package and let's see what she looks like. This is what it looks like. I am not going to swatch it because it is not a color story that I like. I mean, the purples are really pretty, and I just don't think I would use it. So I'd rather pass it on to someone else who would get more use out of it than I. So I will be putting that into a giveaway as well. Next thing in my box is also 2 items that I added on, and those are these 2 brushes here. Anytime I see brushes, I get them because I love brushes. I can never have enough of them. So the first one is so cute. I wish I could get a set of these. It is this one right here, and it has a glittery pink handle. I love that. And the brush is really nice, obviously synthetic, but it's really soft, and that's a nice fluffy brush. I think that's excellent. And this is by SL Miss Glam, and it's a SS57 blender. I really like that, and I think the brush was $2 or $3. And then the next brush that I got is this beautiful pink one here by Farah, and it is a blender brush 25EL. It's a little bit smaller and shorter bristled, and this one also feels like really nice quality. This one actually feels a little bit better quality than that one. It feels more dense. It's really nice, and it has cute color to it. I really like that. It's exciting. Next thing in my box is going to be by Wander Beauty, and this is in the shade Clear, and it is an eyebrow gel. So I love getting eyebrow gels. I will always use a good eyebrow gel, so I'm excited to get that. And I love the shape of the wand. It has that small piece so you can really get the tail of your brow. Really like that. So I'm excited to get that. I'll definitely start putting that to use ASAP. And then the last thing in my box is this here, and it's Sugar Rush Tarte A+ brush set. So that's really cute because we just got this in our BoxyCharms. So that's cute. Let's open it up. It comes in little cute packaging. This is what they look like. Let's open this one first. Oh, they're like pencils. Look. That's kind of cool. I really like that. It's different. The plastic feels hella cheap, but they're cute. The brush is pretty decent. This one says Goal Getter on it, and on the box it says Goal Getter Tapered Blending Brush. The next one is this white one here. Same thing, looks like a pencil, and it says Stay Sharp. And this one is the pencil crease brush. So the shape of this one is really good to like get detail into the crease. So excited for that. And then next you get a flat brush, which I love flat brushes. This one says Write Your Story on it. and it just says round blending brush. I really like that. They feel good quality too. They don't feel cheap, so I like those. So that is everything in my May Ipsy Plus box. If you guys like what I got in my box, let me know down below. If you got something different than I got, let me also know that down below. And stay tuned because I will be posting my 100 subscriber giveaway this weekend. I have a ton of stuff to give away, and I may also go live this weekend and give away some palettes. So if you guys are interested in that, just stay tuned. And also, I'd really appreciate if you comment, like, and subscribe if you have not already, and join my YouTube family. I'd really appreciate that. And until the next video, guys, love ya. Stay safe. Bye.